We went from emails and mailing lists and ERC chats and blog posts to web forums and Stack Overflow to now private chats like hundreds of thousands of channels on Discord. But do developers even need to communicate anymore? They can use AI agents now. So you can just put your agent on a feedback loop and you can just leave your computer. And even if you work with the agent, you just prompt it. Maybe you can test the work yourself and then prompt it again. Now some developers can get away with never Googling anything, never looking at docs, never searching in the history of some obscure Discord channel. So is collaboration between developers dying? Are libraries and open source projects dying or slowly dying? And are the AI agent companies going to capture everything directly at source? Directly where we write the code, where we prompt the agents, taking all of our abstraction ideas and library ideas. And what about developers who continue writing libraries or publish new versions of their libraries? Will the AI agents see them in time? Or are we always going to use a couple of versions in the past just because they are better trained into the AI models? I think collaboration will move even closer to the code and even closer to the agents. And the new pair programming will include all the ways in which you should prompt your AI agents to make sure your app doesn't have holes. And there is a new market opening up for people who don't know how to code properly, but they will use every tool to build what they want. And they may need a developer just for a couple of minutes to help with a prompt or two, or to get out of some bug loop hell that AI agents usually get into. So, in the next period, developers with very detailed knowledge will be more wary to make it public without benefits. And this will open up avenues of tighter collaboration between developers, especially those who use AI agents. And we will see knowledge sharing on very detailed categories and aspects of programming, like security, like very specific bugs or library versions, as close to the code and agents as possible. And I don't think existing social media networks for developers cover this need yet. So this is the problem space. And in later videos, I may present you a rough version of how this niche may look like.